Hey, this is Mark, and I always get a question on how to change the O-ring in these fittings. Simply need a tool like this. You get this from a dollar store, you get this from Walmart. Basically a tool for teeth, no big deal. You don't want a pointy end on the end, you could damage the O-ring. It's very simple. You're just going to put it down in there. I don't know if you can see that. You kind of just push on it a little bit, and it'll come right up out of there. And what you're going to do is, when you put it back in, no big deal. Make sure it's clean. Just push it in there, like such. Push it to the side. Well, sometimes it's not that easy to do on camera. What you gotta do is push it down in there. Make sure you get it in that seat, and you'll know right away when it's in there. You can see it pop in the, if you look down in there, that's how it needs to look, just like that all the way around. And that's how easy it is to replace that. This black O-ring is a basic O-ring. They might last you, if you're doing heavy duty work, they might last you about a month maybe, if you're lucky. If you get the brown O-rings, they're a heat resistant O-ring. They also a chemical resistant O-ring. A little more expensive, but it lasts you a lot longer. It's worth the, I don't know, I think it's $1 a fitting maybe, if that. But I hope that it all helps you all out. You all have a good one.